first judge was born in Bohol and raised in General Santos City, where he had a schoolmate, no other than Manny Pacquiao. Yes! And now this young man is based in the US. He is also our World Boxing Association, or WBA, interim world champion in the super flyweight category. Welcome, the Filipino Flash, Mr. Nonito Donaire! Oh, diba? Champion! World champion na dito!
Isang judge palang champion na agad. Why not? Okay, now if you started with UP like I did,
video lang.
schoolmate ko siya, and very valuable schoolmate,
ay, sige, gamitin mo yun!
you're really likely to have a great deal of wisdom from this
Mahaba pa to
beard daw, oh. Marami talagang nalatakot sa kanya kasi she's very frank and very straightforward. Hindi ka yan palalampasin. Diba? Kahit yung ating, alam mo na, hindi niya pinalampas. Diba? Her expertise was tapped in her post as Socio-Economic Planning Secretary during the term of the late President Cory Aquino. The analyst who really makes sense at talagang matapang pa yan sa Tigre. Everybody's mare! Professor Winnie Monson!
Wow! Tita Winnie!
Tita Winnie!
Tita Winnie, love you! Peace out, peace! Baka ma-YouTube ako.
Ako mag-introduce nito, pwede.
Ikaw mag-introduce yan.
Ako mag-introduce nito. A lawyer by profession, being a graduate of UP also, schoolmate, and a Master of Law from Yale University.
Bigat, ang bigat.
Recipient of the Business Icon Gold Award from Biz News Asia.
Bigat, bigat.
The current CEO and Chairman of GMA Network lang naman.
Boss.
One of the largest media networks in the country. Tonight's Chairman of the Board of Judges, Attorney Felipe Gozon.
Oh, di ba?
Okay na.
Bossing ng GMA.
Boss.
Boss, ha?
Boss, hi.
Ano naman?
Good evening.
Boss, Bobby yan, boss. Pakilala na, eh. Para lang, ano.
Okay, ito. Ito, world, ay nako, world renowned to.
Oh, speaking of YouTube.
Speaking of YouTube,
diba?
Nagsimula siyang makilala sa YouTube. Ikaw ba, nagpo-post ka sa YouTube?
Oo, nagpo-post ako para...
Ano?
Para makilala ko ni, ni Attorney Gozon.
Ano? Nakabihis na naman.
Magsisan ako, bakit ka?
Okay.
Attorney ka,
Attorney,
kala mo ba si Berwin lang? Kaibigan ko eh, siya lang marunong mag-magic, ha? Ako, marunong ako mag-magic.
Sige nga, game.
Bigyan mo sa akin wallet mo, pagbalik ko ng wallet mo, wala ka ng pera.
Ay,
papadisapin mo
Bobby
yun.
naman.
O sige, ito.
Ganda-ganda ng gabi natin, Bobby.
Okay, sige, pakilala mo na next judge dahil siya ay YouTube sensation at kilala siya all over the world.
Yes, singer, songwriter, and lead singer of the legendary American rock band Journey! Another Pinoy pride, Arnel Pineda!
Arnel Pineda! Nasa Super Bowl, napanood kita! Mami ko pinanood ka, nasa Amerika. Hey.
Okay, ito na.
Gusto ko lang tingnan yung mga judges natin.
Okay, sabi sa inyo.
Sobrang big time.
Bigati ng mga judges natin ngayon.
Ever yun.
Ito ang ating judge. Mabigat rito. Starting her career in public service as an elementary school teacher in Cabuyao, then Calamba, and as judge, then became Vice Mayor, then Congresswoman,